Welcome to Specto Technology. Today we'll set up a Aeroqual tripod. Position the tripod on a stable, relatively level surface and extend the legs until the support brackets are leveled with the ground. Slide the mounting pole with attached brackets through the hole of the tripod. Ensure the wing nuts are loose enough to slide the pole into the tripod. To ensure the wing nut does not stop the pole when it is sliding through, be sure to pull the wing nut away from the hole to provide enough space for the pole to slide through. If the pole is too low, pull the base of the tripod a little up. Ensure the tripod is securely locked and stable by tightening the wing nuts on the top and the base of the tripod. Grab the unit and slide the holes located on the back of the Aeroquals to the tripod's upper and lower mounting brackets. This is a fairly tight fit. Before sliding the unit on, be sure to match the holes on the back of the unit with the bracket on the pole. To stabilize the tripod, screw or fasten the legs of the tripod to the surface the legs are touching. Sandbags are another option. If you plan to connect any accessories to the Aeroqual unit, ensure that you slide the extension pole mount onto the top of the tripod before proceeding. This completes the tripod setup process. Your equipment setup is now ready for the next step. Happy monitoring. This video is brought to you by Specto Technology, a world of solutions.